Hello everyone, in this video I will tell you how to export Adobe Photoshop business card. So first of all I have a card and re-edit it. I give the name like a media, James Media. Now you see that the card is almost ready. So our mission is to how to export business card. So there are many methods. Someone use save as, but export is the best method to get HD quality. So click on the file and choose export and export as. And there is different format PNG, like you can select JPG and export, and you can also increase its quality and export it. Open the card. You see that it is HD quality James Media card. So it is very easy to export business card in Adobe Photoshop. If liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to check the resources link in the description below. See you in the next video.